Sego Sebo Guego. Today's phrase of the day comes from Wise, and he wants to know how to say, what are you doing tonight? So to say that in Ganyo Geha, we would say, Oh no sajarana anyogarahwe. Oh, oh, no sa die lana, no sajarana. An yo garahwe. An yo garahwe. The first word of our phrase, oh, is a short way of asking what in Ganyo Geha. The second word, no sajarana, means you'll be going someplace to do something. Na means in the future, you will. Sa is you. And jarana means to go somewhere to do something. No sajarana. You will be going somewhere to do something. Final word, anyogarahwe, means tonight. An again puts this word in the future tense. Yogara is the darkness. And hue is how we end this word in the future tense. Anyogarahwe. It will be dark, or tonight. Oh no sadirana anyogarahwe. Oh no sadirana anyogarahwe.